Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today this is our fourth video of Azure Data Factory real-time scenario series. Okay, hope you guys are doing well and you guys are doing practice the real-time scenarios well. Okay, because practice is the only way to get the success. Okay, so first, today we'll try to understand the requirements. You can see the headlines that how to process fixed length text files using data flow in ADF. Okay, so we'll see how to process this kind of requirements. So uh, if you have this kind of data from your source system, if you are getting this kind of data from your source system, so how to process like this? The first, these are the employee ID, these are the employee name, this is the employee country, and this is the employee phone number. So this kind of data, how you will process that thing, you need to understand. So let's start. So before starting our today's topic, so I want to just take you through our uh, channel. This is our channel Cognitive Coders. Here we used to upload data engineering related stuffs. Okay, if you have not seen or go through our channel, I would recommend you please go through. There are multiple playlists. If you are new in data engineering, I would recommend you for learning PySpark. This would be a great playlist, a very much useful playlist. This one, lots of students, lots of learner have given me the feedback, good feedback on this. Okay, so you can go through this playlist and for understanding the Spark architecture, the most useful Spark functionalities. Okay, these things, and there are lot more. Okay, just go through. You will be understand seeing the names of playlist. Okay, so let's go to our today's topic. So this kind of data, so we will handle today. Okay, so I have already placed the data in my blob storage. Okay, demo container. Under demo container there is a source directory. Under that I have kept it. Okay, so we'll process it using data flow. Okay, first we'll create one data flow. Okay, so and the data flow name, anything you can give. I'm just keeping it same. Okay, nothing I am changing. So at the source I'm adding one source. So source, what would be this is our source. So here I need to select my data set. Okay, so this would be a new data set I need to create. So it is my gen2, it is in my gen2 container, and it is in text file. So anything I can select. Okay, so delimited text, anything I'm selecting. Okay, so already link service has been created earlier in my earlier, for my earlier video, earlier task I have created. If you have seen my earlier videos, there I have shown you how to create the link service. Okay, so just go through that videos. So I'm just giving the name. Okay, mm, ds emp data. Okay, and giving the path. Okay, sync, sorry, not sync, it would be a source path. Okay, so source path is employee data. Okay, so this would be my data set. This is using data set, I'm pointing out my data file. Okay, so things are okay. So now, so this is okay. Now if I'll go to inspect, so I'm getting so you can see I'm getting just only the first column name. Okay, it is all the data it is in one column. Okay, okay, So this should not be happen. If I will turn on the data flow debug also, I can see the data preview, but for now I am not turning on. Okay, so I'm getting the things like this. Okay, I'm getting the data like this only. Okay, so it is in one liner. So I should get it like this: employee ID, employee name, like this. Okay, for that what I'll do. So now what we need to do, we just need to split the data and give it in a separate new columns. Okay, for that reason what I will do, I'll add one data flow resource. Okay, so what I'll add here. Okay, where is derived column? Here it is. So I'll use this derived column. Okay, because I need to derive the new column. Okay, so here what I'll do. Hmm, hmm. Okay, so everything is fine. So incoming stream also source one, it is already selected. So here what would be my first column name? uh, emp id. Okay, and second, uh, I'll using the expression builder I will select. Okay, so I'll use substring. Okay, substring. So substring, so what would be my first substring? So this would be my column 1. Okay, so so where it is. So before going ahead, one thing I want to mention: whenever you are creating the data set for your source system, okay, so here uh, you don't need to choose the first row as header. Okay, this should not be checked as you don't have any header here, so you don't need to check that. Okay, so I have during creation I just missed this option, so I forgot to check out this thing. Okay, uh, to uncheck this thing. Okay, so now I have unchecked, and if I'll see my data projection in inspect, so I'm getting column 1. Okay, so now uh, if I'll go to the derive column, if I'll derive my column, so here from the expression builder, I'll select substring. Okay, substring. So substring would be column 1. So first three character would be my employee ID. Okay, so the index would be starting 0, then this would be first three character. Okay, done. So now you have to do finish. So next would be my employee name. How many characters are there? So from 4 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 4 to 8 character, it would be employee name, emp name. Okay, so if I'll give the expression, so substring, then column 1, then so from 4, index 4, it would be next 8 till 8 character. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So Jennifer, it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 character. So from 4th index it will take next 8 characters for the name purpose. Okay, So it is selected. Next I will take for the country. Okay, country purpose. So country. So from 11 so here till this it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11. Okay, so 11 it is gone. So from 12 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 12 to till next 7 character it would be my country. Okay, so substring column 1, column 1, so from 12 how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 characters. Next 7 characters it would be my country. Okay, so next what would be? Next is my phone number. Okay, till this till 19th it is the rest of the data. From 20th index it will take the phone number. Okay, so phone number. Okay, so I'm putting it like this. Okay, phone number, expression builder, substring column 1, because all the data are stored in a single column, as I have shown you. Okay, so from 20 20 to next 10 characters it will take. Okay, so it is done. Now if you want to check your data, you need to turn on your data flow debug. Okay, I'm just, so for next 1 hour if I need to, yeah, I'm taking. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so my data flow has started. Okay, you will get the notification, you can see it in data flow debug mode on. Okay, so if I'll see the data preview, if I'll refresh, I'll able to see my data. Okay, let's see. Let's switch the data. For first time it is taking the time. Okay, so now the data has come. So you can see column 1, there are all the datas are there. Okay, so from here we have separated employee ID, employee name, Sunny, Yuvraj, Daniel, Jennifer till Jennifer it is okay. Yeah, country also Germany, India, UK, US. Okay, phone number also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, till 9 it has come. So what is the issue? Let me check. So it was the Sunny's phone number was 7412 till 78. Okay, so 74. Okay, so the for everyone the first character have missed. So the index I have chosen the wrong. So here I need to change it. So it would be then 19. From 19 it should take. Okay, so that I am changing, and once again seeing the flow. That's why this data preview is required to debug our things. Okay, so now the data are coming fine. So now what I will do, we don't require this column 1, so for this reason we'll use this select. So here we'll just remove the column 1, and the rest of the column it will be kept. Okay, in the data preview, if I will see, okay, let it come. Now the data are coming. Okay, the same data we just need to dump in our sync place. So for sync, I will store it as a CSV file. You can also store it in a SQL Server or any other places, but I will store it as a CSV file in my sync data uh, sync sync inventory I have created. So as a CSV file I will take it. Okay, so for that I am creating the data set ds imp sync. Okay, so like this I have created, and first row as header. Here I need to select first row as header because I have given the header. Okay, so now next sync I would give, and here it is none because there is no file exist. Okay, so now it is okay. Okay, the data flow is ready. Okay, now what I will do, I'll create one pipeline here for running our this data flow. Okay, so pipeline 2 it is fine, so I'll take it. So before going ahead I'll see my sync folder, there is nothing. Okay, so now if I'll debug, I'll trigger the pipeline using the debug option. I'm just stopping the debug data flow first. Next I'll just use the first I will validate the things. Okay, it is okay, everything is fine. Okay, now if I'll trigger it using activity runtime, let's see, data flow it is in progress, the pipeline running it is in progress. Once it is completed we'll see. Okay, so let the pipeline run completed, we'll come here. Yeah, now my pipeline run has successfully completed. You can see it, the successful run here, and if you want to see it, you can also see it like this. All the flows are completed. Okay, now the 4 rows are written. Okay, you can check the lineage from here or stages like this if you want to check. Okay, I will directly go to the my sync path. Okay, so in demo container there is a sync, you can see I have one file. Okay, and if I will open it, it's a CSV file. You can see a comma separated value I'm getting. The first one is header and rest of the data it is here. Okay, so this is the success logs also here. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept how to manage the text file data. Okay, so if if the data length have given fixed, it is if it is fixed, how to manage the text file. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly connect with me via topmate or LinkedIn, or you can mail me if you have any questions to understand. If you have any real time scenario questions, that also you can send me. We will solve that. We will post it in our channel. Okay, so thank you for watching our video, and if you have not subscribe our channel, uh, please do subscribe our channel and support us. Without your support we can't grow. Okay, we want to reach to the broader audience. Okay, so that's why we need you guys support. So please support us. Bye.